Hi lovelies, welcome to class. Let's make this beautiful Alice band fascinator. So first of all, I'll be using 1 inch Alice band. Then I'll cut out this fabric 2 pieces. It measures 15 inches by 3. So we'll be needing 2 of that. You just fold on the wrong side, then sew it, then turn out just like the way I've done the other one. I'll also be needing this 1-inch blue ribbon. So the next thing I'll be doing is to stick my elastic to the Alice band, and the elastic I'll be using measures 7 inches. I'll be doing this with the help of my glue gun. So I'll attach it just like the way you're seeing it. After that, I'll get the fabric that that I've sewn and turned out. I'll use it to wrap my Alice band from one end of the Alice band to the middle. Yes, and we're also going to start the other one from the other side to the middle. We're going to stop at the middle, then start the other one also. You'll notice I didn't start from the beginning of the band. I didn't start covering from the beginning of the band. I left like maybe 1 inch, so because I want it to go around. Never mind, the blue ribbon that I'll be using will do the total covering. I just need this for a base. I want to have this fabric at the base of the Alice band, so that when I'm sewing my loops to the Alice band, I'll have enough support. That is the whole essence of putting this one first as a support, so, and I don't want to use foam to wrap my Alice band. I don't want it to be too bulky, so I'll do the same from the other side, and I'll end at the center, and that's it. I've covered it. Now I'm doing the final covering now with my ribbon. I'll roll it around the edge like 3 times. Then I'll do that with the help of my candle glue. I'll stop at the middle. When I get to the middle, I'll cut it and I'll start from the other side. So we have these pieces cut out. It's 6 pieces of fabrics. This is for our loops. It measures 10 inches by 7, and I add 6 of that. Then this one is for our rows, and it measures 27 by 6. I also have 2 of that. They'll be needing our crinoline, of course, and the crinoline is the 3 inches crinoline. So for the loops, we're going to be folding it on the wrong side like this, then sew from one end to the other. We'll do that to the whole 6. Then for these 2 pieces also for our rows, we're going to turn to the wrong side also and sew straight down. I've already done that to all the 6 pieces for the loops, and you can see as I'm ironing, for neatness, please iron your materials for neatness. So I've ironed the whole 6. Then we'll move to the next step. So the next step now is to insert our crinoline. It's very, very easy. Just fold and fold again, then insert your crinoline into the whole 6 loops. If you have watched this video to this level, that means you are enjoying it. Thank you for your constant support and everything. Thank you for the like. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the share. Please, if you are a first timer, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button so that you can always get notification whenever I drop new videos. So the next thing we'll be doing here is to fold all our loops like this. Then we're going to be running our gather. So we're going to gather everything together. I'm going to be securing it together, by gathering the bottom side, So we are not going to do it separately. We are going to do all together. We're going to be gathering all the 6 loops together, just like the way you are seeing in the video. It is very, very easy. So as you can see, now I'll take another one and do the same. You know, it's a continuous thing. You start gathering also. We'll do it together till we gather the whole 6 loops. So as you can see here, I've done the whole 6 and this is how it's looking. So the next thing we're going to be doing is, I will not be gluing this. I want it to be firm and stand. I'll be doing that with the help of my needle and thread. I really secured it, and that fabric I put underneath the Alice band really helped to support, you know, it helps to support to carry it and for, you know, firmness. So that is just that. So now we'll be forming our rose with this the pieces for this rose. First of all, we're going to fold in that edge like maybe half an inch, you know. Then we take our needle and thread and just secure it first of all, then run your gathers from that point to the end. When we get to the end, we are still going to repeat the same thing. How we just the way we fold half an inch in here, we're going to repeat it at the other end. Then you see the way I'll form my rose. Thank you so much for always supporting your sister, your girl. I really appreciate you all. Keep sharing, keep liking, keep loving. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. God bless you. God will honor you. I appreciate you for the love. Thank you so much. So here I'll just gather from one end to the other. So like I told you, you are going to fold this side in also, just like half an inch. Then you gather on that side also. So after gathering, this is what we'll get. Then the next thing to do is to just twist in. Just keep rolling it in. Just roll it in like this and our rose will be formed. First of all, before I start the rolling in, I secured the edge. I secured that point first, you know, then I start rolling it in like so. It's so easy, and it will give you this pattern of rose. This is what I want to achieve, and after that you secure it. Ensure your rose comes out beautiful. Keep rolling if you have not gotten the rose look or the effect. Keep rolling and keep adjusting. You get there. So I'll secure and then keep sewing. So this is what I've done. I've gotten the two. The next thing to do now is to, with the help of our candle glue, we are going to attach this to both sides, to both the front and back. So I added these patches to design it. That's all. Thank you. Bye.